so crazy.
We had this beautiful Supra came in for a custom tune and just to get a walk around throughout his whole vehicle, right? So this vehicle has been at a previous shop. We don't know what shop it is, but he is tuned on the full E85. However, the customer was stating that he has a misfire when he goes on a full throttle pass, and it comes to find out that he does have stock spark plugs. So that's a no-go. Okay, so if you are planning on going full 85, please upgrade your spark plugs.
Shit, that PQ sauce kicking in. Fuck! So you guys see, we are in the middle of the road here in Mexico. We're actually dated along in this vehicle for a customer. So yeah, since we are in Mexico, there's no dyno here that we can use. So we have to do it on the road, loading about 50 extra wheel horsepower. So let's see how this thing feels, man.
This shit, my shit was a bitch compared to what it is now. God, I ain't gonna lie, y'all boys come to this shit right here. Fuck all that other shit.
Customer approves, let's go.
Oh, okay, so you're pretty cool with like Travis.
Yeah, I've known him for like 8 years.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Does he hook you up with the Travis?
Hell yeah, I get everything.
Oh, that's hard, huh?
Every single thing that came out, he gave me the watch too.
Don't get the lip.
This fool, Junior's gonna go with you real quick so he can teach you how to pump the gas. Alright.
We're at the gas station right now. We're doing the mix for my boy Philly. We're about to tune his whip and get it right.
Alright, so it's the last day being slow. After this, anybody can get it on the street, let me know. We ain't showing numbers though.
What's going on? We're in our boy's Philly's M340, getting ready to flash the custom tune. Let's get it going. Boom, bow, bing, boom. God damn. All them warnings, man. What are your predictions on this M340? I say the car's gonna end up making around there, maybe. With that being said, let's get it going, man.
Number right there, dope. That's a good number.
That's a good number. Yeah. So we're on our revision number of dose, number 2.
Hot. This is about to be the first little test drive. Fresh off the dyno. Hey, that shit was doing some numbers. I ain't even gonna tell you what we was doing. Keep that little secret. What the fuck? Yeah, that's just quick. Yeah, that full man does not need that. Ay, ay, ay. What the fuck? Yeah, that's the first time my shit's ever spin. Yeah, it's never spin.
So meanwhile, the homie Philly was here. We closed him on Little Hood. Shout out to the homies over at South Bay. They shot him a really good deal on the carbon hood. We were about to install it real quick.
I see myself on the street, I wouldn't want to race myself. That shit looks like a fucking race car now. Let me know. Pull up beside me, find out. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we have the G82 from our boys over at Best Hibachi. If you guys haven't tried it, you guys are missing out. One of the best hibachi spots here in Cali. But yeah, they brought us their G82. We're gonna be doing our carbon fiber package for them. And let's get right to it and start unboxing the carbon fiber parts. So we have the carbon fiber rear diffuser right here. Okay, yeah guys, so as I was saying, this carbon fiber package right here is for one of our good boys, Ethan, the owners at Best Hibachi. This is going on his G82. He fully customized his carbon fiber package. He went with the CSL style front grille, carbon air ducts, front lip, pretty much everything, but he chose his own styles. So when you guys DM us and ask us for pricing on the carbon fiber package, we send you guys what most of our customers go with, like what's most popular. He, in this case, decided to go with a different style diffuser, a different style lip, which is all very easy to do. You just message us with the styles that you guys like and we'll make it happen. He's also going with the agile swan neck wing, which is very, very nice. This car is gonna look very beautiful. Stay tuned for the process of installing this, which we're about to install it right now. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Wrapping up here the Best Hibachi car. We're putting the final steps on it, which are the DRLs. We have the agile swan neck wing on its way right now as well. Yeah man, this car came together pretty nice. We actually turned it around in about half a day. All right, so this is the swan neck wing, aka the fresh kicks wings. It's going on that red G82 that we did the carbon fiber kit on. So this is the final piece of the puzzle. Car's gonna look insane. Hopefully we could finish it today and turn it into the customer. And yeah, finish it up.
No one knows this yet, but look.
All right.
You remember I had brackets, right?
Yeah.
I took them out. They did a cleanup. I'm gonna put veneers, everything.
Brand new teeth?
I'm gonna have a brand new smile. No more chimuelo.
So no more chimuelo, Oscar Ortiz.
No more chimuelo.
He's actually, he brought his car. We're gonna be stocking it out a little bit for him. What are you about to get next?
Sleeving. That's coming next already.
He's about to get a G80 X-Drive tomorrow, hopefully. So
White interior, and I think it's the same color. It's like gray with white interior.
he's about to be matching with Dandy.
Yeah.
Gonna be sick. You want to see Ethan's car or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check, it has the carbon fiber hood, huh? Nah, I think this is hard as fuck, bro. Se pasó de lanza el Ethan, güey. Woo! Oh my god, you guys put on this hard ass tail, huh? Verga, güey. Ethan's gonna love this shit. The flat side skirts. No mames, se pasó de verga, Loki. Hey, Loki, I think this is gonna be the hardest M4 out right now. Hardest M4 out right now, for sure. It's gonna be too perfect. Hey, güey, quedó bien perfecto, güey, ¿no? This shit came out hard, like hard. Oh, that's a hard ass grill too. Hard ass grill. It's tough. I think this is a pretty hard M4.
Is he gonna put?
Matching right now too.
I get the M3 competition. Yeah. Max it out, next day.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Look at the wing, look at the wing, look at the wing.
The wing, pasado that like pasa.
With us, cold as fuck. Vamos a qué pedo. Hell yeah, we're all gonna take like a little sick picture. Se va a ir el M2 y mañana llega el M3, pero pues no sé si mañana llegue. Puede ser que sea pasado mañana.
Hey, saying late to the M2.
Say late to them.
This shit. My shit was a bitch compared to what it is now. God.
The last day being slow. After this, anybody can get it on the street, let me know.
Woo! Oh my god, you guys put on this hard ass tail, huh?